So here's one of the cards that I just finished from my husband. It turned out amazing. And it was quick and easy. I didn't have to do much of anything. So I want to hop on again and show you. I'm about to make another card here. And it says, "You are a gem." And I want to show you how quick and easy I'm going to be able to do this card. So I have my card mat. I've already inserted the paper, which came from my Cricut pack. I mean, come on, this is less than $6. You cannot beat that. So I have this pack. It comes with everything you need. Your envelope, your insert, and the actual card. So once I purchased that, along with the mat, because this mat does not come with the machine. This one does. This is the mat you will use with your existing material. Your HTV, your vinyl, your paper. This is what you use this for. If you're using the smart material, you don't need a mat, girl. You just put that paper right on in there with your vinyl in there, and you don't need no mat. But because we're making cards, I need my card mat. This is why I bought the bad boy, because I knew this was going to make it easy. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. I have this all prepared. I'm going to select the right material set. And now let's see what happens. It's telling me to put my fine tip blade in, which is right there. It's all right there. What? It inserted by itself? Girl, this is a must-have. Let me tell you. And it can go anywhere you go. It is not going to take up a lot of space. It is not heavy. I mean, it's beautiful. Look at that blue. Now, y'all notice the color of my studio. So, this is such a beautiful color. It's matte. The front flat is white and it's glossy. So, it's a very nice mix here. It's just the going. You see that? It's just the going. So, while we're waiting for this, let me go ahead and choose an insert card that's going to go inside, which I'm going to use this one. I was going to use some of my glitter or holographic paper, but I'm not going to go searching for things and make things harder than what they need to be. I'm going to use what come in the pack. And this is what makes it so easy and takes the guesswork out of making a card for your bestie. So we're going to go ahead and press unload. We are done. Did you see how fast that was? We're going to carefully lift this up because the mat does have some adhesive on it. And we want to be very, very careful that we don't mess up. So we're going to go ahead and close this, move it to the side. And I'm going to go ahead and lift this up a little quicker because, like I said, look at that, y'all. It's done. It turned out amazing. So let me go ahead. We're going to put the insert in. And this cardstock is the bomb, y'all. Look at that. We're done. We are done. Did you see how fast I made this card? This is quick and easy and you're going to love it. So please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so you can see more of my crafts. I have a lot to coming. It's not just about cards. I'm going to do vinyl, HTV. I even did a quick project on how you could do writable vinyl here. All with my machine, y'all. You know I'm not going to tell you wrong. I'm going to tell you right. So enjoy the rest of your day. I got to go. My lunch is over. Bye-bye. So I wanted to hop back on and show you how I am customizing the inside of the card using one of my original Cricut pens. Now, you know you have to have a special pen to write with the Cricut Joy, but with this adapter, you can use any pen. So I just wanted to let you know that it's possible, so don't toss your pens out. You can still use them.